Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if the Apple ID password is not working on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if the Apple ID password is not working on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you need to open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general. And here you need to tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, check the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here you need to again open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, and here you'll have to tap on screen time. Here screen time, you need to tap on this, then scroll down again, then tap on content and privacy section, and here you will have to turn this toggle off from here. If it is on, then after that check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Here you'll need to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you need to open password app on your iPhone device. Here password app, you'll need to open this. Then here you need to tap on all, and here make sure that you are entering the correct your Apple ID password. Then after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here again open settings on your iPhone device. Then here you need to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will see this type interface. Here scroll down. Then here you need to tap on sign in and security. So after that, here you will see this type interface. Here you can see that here the option of change password. Tap on this. Enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you can change your Apple ID password from here. Then this will be your new Apple ID password, and here you will have to use this new password if you are needed. So in this way, you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device if the Apple ID password is not working on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.